Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to allow message previews for channels on Telegram Web using the latest update. This feature makes it easier to see channel messages at a glance without opening each one, saving you time and keeping your conversations more organized. Let's get started step by step. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting Telegram's official site and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. That's where most of the main settings are found. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. Next, from that menu, select Settings. Telegram's Settings section allows you to manage everything from privacy to appearance, but today we're focusing on notification preferences. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. Here you'll see several options related to how Telegram alerts you to new activity. Scroll through until you find the section labeled Channels. Under that section, you'll notice an option called Message Preview. This setting controls whether or not you can see the content of messages from channels right in the notification window. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to Message Preview. Once it's checked, Telegram Web will immediately start showing you message previews for channels. You don't need to reload the page or restart the browser. The change takes effect right away.